Tony hafa ko mikiling di sinang ni manam ko budget dan tanga isaina.
I manaina ni an ilik ni anu tanga jam budget isaina kemikiling ya budget dan tanga blind and deaf as a parent and it means no thinking was in the city pat gonya ni isaina kaling bisa tumungo I hafa masasiri presina pat gonya especialmente sangkin gua baba bidanya o gua la alinitsinya pat isaina o tumutumo mo fo na bisino tatati isaina. So in that case tangajam budget the parents are often the last to know the situational reality of their own child. The teachers see it, the neighbors see it, but the parents don't see it until there's a consequence. That's what